Okay, this morning we're in Sevierville and we're gonna have breakfast at Chubby's. We've had lunch and dinner here a few times, but we've never had breakfast. Here's the front of it. Big boy. Look, babe, it's big boy.
Like me.
Betty Boop and Santa and a sheep and a rooster. That's kind of random. So there's not a lot of people here yet, but it is only, what, Tuesday? Yeah. I'm actually gonna have the 2 biscuits and gravy.
Okay.
Hey man, at least you get the good syrup here, right?
Yeah.
I mean, it's not real syrup, but if you're gonna buy junk fake syrup, this is the best syrup ever. This is what I grew up with, Miss Buttersworth. She was the best. Love the tablecloths and the retro seats and chairs.
Tables kind of remind me of the silver.
Tables, yeah.
Remind me of the silver trailer in the 1950s.
Yeah. I had a little bitty table with those little boomerang pattern things on the table when I was little. Okay, and here's my biscuits and gravy. And Steve got the pancakes. They look pretty good. Look at all that butter. And then here is the potatoes.
Okay.
Here's
How was your biscuits and gravy?
Let's
Really good. Very, very good flavor.
Yeah, very good. Okay, Steve's gonna try his. How's it taste?
Very good.
Is it?
Yeah, very good.
Look at that pepper. I love that. So good. You know what? This was $5.99, and you can't go to McDonald's for the drive-thru for $5.99. And dang, yours was $6.99. I mean, and you got the potatoes, so what a deal. And I can't recommend these little home fries for breakfast in the morning here. They are definitely top-notch taste. Pretty good, aren't they?
Mm-hmm.
Those are pretty good. We're potato people, so we have 2 cabins to clean today, and we dropped Dominic off at college because he gets out at, what, 12? Mm-hmm. So we're out shooting a video, using our time wisely, unlike last year. And yeah, it turned out to be a good morning. Okay, so the waitress just asked if I wanted some more biscuits and gravy, and it's all you can eat for $5.99. And no, I did not take her up on that offer. Oh, you got the clean plate award. David would be jealous. Go ahead and lick it up. There's still food on there. So this was definitely really good. I just wish there was more sausage bits in it. There was only like 3 bits of sausage in the whole thing, but it was very tasty. So this is how the check looks. We won't know the total till we get to the desk. Getting ready to check out.
We had somebody kind of sublease it.
They got little duckies. And this is the center of it. Little waiting room and little things, stickers you can buy.
Hey, girl.
And they have a little outdoor area to eat as well when the weather's nicer. And this is across the street from Tennessee Bank and a weird little lime and blue building.
Hi everybody, we are in Sevierville, Tennessee today, and we decided to do, Lisa and I decided to do Chubby's restaurant for breakfast. Now we've done one video with this place before. I don't know, it's probably been over a year ago.
We've done Chubby's twice.
Yeah.
Once each year.
Yeah. And we probably will come back here another time this year with the boys. The boys are obviously in school today, both of them, so we thought we'd grab us a quick bite for breakfast this morning before we actually went and did some work today. So before that though, anyway, we decided we'd stop in here real quick and try breakfast because we never had it here before. What a great price. You know, price-wise for the food taste-wise, I think it's excellent.
$20. $20.
All you can eat biscuits and gravy Lisa had today. She only got the one helping because that's all you can eat.
Well,
you know,
all I can eat.
No, my stomach told me today, hey, you want to get pancakes and potatoes and sausage and stuff, but I didn't. I decided I was just going to do the three pancake, and then I asked for one little side of potatoes. All the potatoes were so good.
They were so good.
They were some of the best potatoes I think I've ever had. Very seasoned well. Just all of it was good.
Yeah. And we didn't want to eat a lot also, get too full because we got to go clean. Like I said,
yeah.
2 cabins.
We got, so I got the 3 stack of pancakes and a little side order of potatoes. And I got a chocolate milk. So that,
which was good.
Yeah. It tasted like it had Hershey syrup in it.
Yeah,
but
something.
You had something, you thought it was something else.
Nestle Quick or something.
Regardless, it was good.
It was
very
good.
And then I got an ice water. 100%, our meal came up to $20. It was $20.49. You'll see that in the receipt. I don't have the tip.
And of course, the tip.
Yeah, but we gave that directly to our waitress. I can't say enough about it. I think the food here is outstanding. The first time I came here, if you go back in our library and check out the other video we had, I got a tenderloin here. This thing was as big as round as a plate, a dinner plate.
Yeah, it really was. It looked a little silly because there was a bun in the middle, holding, on either side. It's like,
picture a bun.
What the heck? It looks silly, but it looks good.
Picture a bun in the middle of a dinner plate.
Yeah.
And literally the tenderloin went all the way out to the edge of the dinner plate. Just check our video out. It's really, but man, oh man, was that good. So, every time we've came here, the food has been outstanding and the price is great.
Yeah.
If you're looking for a little bit of a cost savings type of...
And you got a big group with you.
Yeah. You're looking for a little cost savings meal. This is a great place to come. Very, very good food. It's old. It's got...
It's nostalgic. It's got all kinds of cool stuff on the wall. As you saw, I recorded that.
It's got like the 50s vibe when you look at the chairs and the tables and stuff. But and they play 50s type music, I think.
Which was cool.
Yeah. Everything about it's cool. It's just a little hole in the wall right down.
But it's very a known place. It may be a hole in the wall. Yeah. Not really a hole in the wall, but it's not like a chain restaurant. And it's not... and it's not like a super fancy place, but it is a great place to eat on a budget. Even if you're not, come here, and the food is good. So
this starts off, what I'm going to do is my pancake off this year. When we do breakfast at other places and stuff like that, I want to try to figure out who has best pancakes. You hear a lot of different things about Pancake Pantry in Gatlinburg, which we'll do again. And a couple of other places, and I have a couple of other places in mind that I'm looking forward to trying again and seeing, who's going to be the best.
Yeah.
So this was my first pancake place for this year that I'm going to try, but I'm going to do that. And then towards the end of the year, we'll come back and say, hey, this is who we thought had the best pancakes.
Yeah.
Anyway, Because we'll try each other's stuff, you know.
I have a feeling from the past experience what mine will be, but we haven't ate everywhere yet.
Yeah, I agree with you, and I know exactly what you're talking about. I tried Lisa's biscuits and gravy. I'll let her elaborate on that a little bit, but they were really good. They tasted good as well. There was.
Yeah, mine, I liked them a lot. I just wish there was more gravy bits in the gravy. It was sausage gravy, pepper, you know, it was so good tasting.
It was, and it had a really good taste.
I just wanted more sausage flavor, you know, the bits of it, but it's okay. And the potato fries, I had to steal some of his because they were that good.
Yeah, they were fantastic.
I would have ordered my own if I had known.
They had one thing. Oh, there's a piece of pepper. They had one thing on their menu that I really want to try, and it's a 3-egg omelet, and it has 3 meats in it. And I think it was like $12.99 or $13.99. But it has a lot in it, and I just didn't want that much. I didn't want to try to eat that much today.
Yeah.
But I want to try that maybe the next time we have breakfast here at some point. So, really cool place. Like I said, got to try it out when you're down here on vacation, or if you even live here. If you live here, I know you've been here. So, but yeah, try it out, Chubby's. And there's also a second Chubby's. I think it has partially of a restaurant, and it's a partial grocery store as well. I think it's on down the way.
I was going to ask the boys what they thought, but they've been replaced with laundry bags. Cabin bags.
Yeah.
But bye for now.
From the Great Smoky Mountains here in Sevierville, Tennessee.
Keep chasing those Smoky Mountain dreams.
Bye.
Bye.